Have one. Rachel, do you want one right there? Right there it is.
That's exactly how Rowan was. What do you think?
Is that cricket good?
Better get it before it crawls away.
Come on, Molly.
Hold on, Ty. Hold on.
I'll give you $1.
Okay, Ty. Ready? You can do it.
Okay. Set. Cora! Yeah, just do it. Do it.
Go, Cora, go! Go, Cora, go!
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Yeah!
Go ahead, Rachel. I'll send Mom. I'll send. You got to chew it. Go ahead, Rachel.
Do it, Cora!
Ready? Here's Molly.
You ate one and I missed it.
Where's the set? Did the set come back?
Rachel,
What?
pick it up.
You ate one too?
Open.
Pick it up. Come on.
Hurry,
Come
shoot.
on. Pick it up. You can do it. It's just
You can do it.
It's edible. It is edible. It's very. Everyone else is doing it.
What's that, Molly? Look at her face.
Oh, here, bring back around here. Ready? Hold it right out. I'll send this to your mother.
Oh, gosh, she's still chewing.
She's like, my Rachel is eating this. All right, open your mouth.
I think it's right next to that.
Put it right in. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Spit it
I
out.
can feed through there.
Anybody else?
What?
Okay, Ty.
Why, what's the difference?
It's a plain one, honey. Go ahead.
Chew it up. It's edible. It is edible. You know what I mean?
You gonna do it, Jack?
It is edible. It's totally edible.
Leif, you want one?
Go ahead, eat it.
Go ahead, buddy.
They're really good.
Share that.
That one is not chocolate covered.
It's okay. Have a plain one.
Here,
Do it, Leify. Go.
Here, this right here.
What do you think, Colin? You want to try one?
There you go.
Hey, Henry, you want to eat a cricket?
Come on, start cooking. It's a try. We're going to try one. Right there. Yeah, the real crickets. See, like, that's what they look like. Go and take one. Give one to Ryan. Right there. Give that one to Ryan. Right there. Pick it up. Pick it up. I'll put it up in the Ready? Go ahead and eat it.